Hello friends, this is Ankush Bhat with Catia tutorial number 12. In this tutorial, we will learn about the mirror tool. On the left hand side, we have Catia V5 window, and on the right hand side, we have step-by-step instruction for the whole tutorial, which you can write down. Let's start by creating a new file. Go to Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design. Give a file name to your file, as I'm giving it Jimmy. So a new file with file name Jimmy has been created. Choose any plane from the part tree, as I'm going with XY plane, or you can choose the plane from here also, the YZ plane. Now select the sketcher tool. Now we have entered into the Sketcher workbench. These are the Sketcher tools on the right interface, bottom interface, and in the top interface. This is the mirror tool, and by clicking at the bottom arrow we will get different type of translator tools which we will study in further videos. We can reach to mirror tool by going to insert, then operations, then transformation, and now we have the mirror tool. As the name suggests, mirror tool is used to mirror any sketch. So in this tool we will study 5 cases. So let's draw some sketch to learn about these cases. The first case is we are mirroring the sketch along an axis. The second case is we are mirroring the sketch along the plane. In the third case, we will mirror the sketch along a line. In fourth case, we will mirror the sketch along an axis line. This is the axis line. In fifth case, we will mirror the sketch along the construction line. Let's draw a line and convert this line into construction line by just selecting it and then just picking up this constructive line tool. Now we can see we have converted this line into construction line. So let's start by the first sketch. Just select the sketch with the help of Control key and then pick up the mirror tool. Then select the reference. As in this case I am taking the vertical axis as a reference. Now we can see we have mirrored the sketch along the vertical axis. Now let us mirror it along the plane. Let's delete this sketch. We can also select the sketch by just first picking up the tool and then selecting the sketch by the selection window and then picking up the reference as I'm taking in the second case as this plane, the ZX plane. We can see I have mirrored this sketch along the ZX plane also. Now moving on to the third case. Just we can first select the sketch individually and then picking up the tool, or we can just pick up the tool and select the sketch with the selection window and then giving the reference, as in this case it's a line. We can see we have mirrored it along the line. Now moving on to the fourth case, pick up the tool, select the sketch with the selection window, give the reference, as in this case it's an axis line. We can see we have mirrored it along the axis line also. Now the fifth case, pick up the tool, select the sketch. Now taking as the reference as the constructive line, we can see we have mirrored it along the construction line also. So in these 5 cases we have seen that we can mirror any sketch along the axis, we can mirror it along any plane, we can mirror it along any sketch, we can mirror it along the axis line, we can mirror it along the construction line also. But the thing is that, let me show you that, pick up the mirror tool, select the sketch. We cannot mirror it along its own sketch, like its own side, on selected side, as it's not taking the reference. We have to create any reference to just, as I am creating here a construction line, just pick up the tool, select the sketch. It's necessary to take any reference, sketch, line, axis to just mirror the sketch. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.